The Parrot Who Repeated Everything. A short story. In a jungle, there lived a parrot who repeated everything he heard. Whatever someone said, he copied it without thinking. One day, a monkey joked, "The lion's tail is too short." The parrot repeated the same line loudly. The lion heard it and was furious. When the lion questioned him, the parrot said, "I only heard it and repeated it." The lion replied wisely, "Always think before you speak. Words have power." The parrot realized his mistake, and from that day he listened more and spoke less. Moral of the story is: think before you speak. Repeating everything is not always wise.
Thanks for watching. Like the story, share, comment and subscribe for more fun and educational content from Little Wonder Stories.